आप क्या कर रहे हो आंटी?
ये
अच्छा लकड़ी काट रहे हो ना? ये आपकी गाय है। Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my another video. This is Kuplung, and today I'm here at Kimadi, a little bit far away from Dehradun. So I came here with my friend to explore this place a little bit. Stay tuned. Here I have stopped because I found one wild amla. Let me try plucking it. Can you see? Desi amla. Come on.
Move.
It's a ripe one.
Right one.
Oh wow. Guys, we found lots of wild amla and I'm very happy. Oh, so guys, I've just stopped here for a while, and it's a place where people stop here and they park their vehicle, and through that way they goes down and enjoy, and it's a picnic spot. And here there is a stone. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. So guys, it's such a beautiful and peaceful place. A camera is not able to justify the beauty and the peace of this place. Look around. You know, whenever I come to this kind of place, I always feel so blessed. I am blessed, I realize it, but when I come here, I feel more blessed. Come, let's go. Oh, such a refreshing place. Oh my god. You can also see some local people are heading towards. Show them. You cannot cut this tree here. It's illegal, so they put a number in every of the pine tree. Wow, the beauty of pine tree, it's so beautiful. So guys, I have stopped here at one of the small eating place, like a restaurant, and oh wow, it's breezy, and as you can see, there are small villages, a group of houses there. So peaceful, and huge mountain. stopped here for a while, and it's not that far from where I stay in Dehradun. It's just 1 hour maybe, because of the roads, or the zigzag road. Otherwise I'm just near to that. So it's, oh, you can see my scarf. It's windy. आप क्या कर रहे हो आंटी?
ये
अच्छा, लकड़ी काट रहे हो ना? ये आपकी गाय है और ये आपकी खेती है? अच्छा, बहुत सुंदर जगह है ना? हम देहरादून से आए हैं, कॉलेज के बच्चे कॉलेज पढ़ने। I have stopped here in one of the auntie's farm, so I have requested her and please her to show her farm. Nothing is there unfortunately, but it's so beautiful, and I'm at Kimadi, so yeah, I'll show you around. There is nothing, by the way. I thought it's rice, but nothing. Look at this place, it's beautiful. Oh my god, I wish if I have a plot of land here, I would surely stay in this kind of isolated place. It's so beautiful. Wow. Guys, as you can see, I am here at the beautiful paddy field, but unfortunately this is not a paddy field. I mean, this is not a rice field. It's a grass, and isn't it beautiful? I'm overwhelmed and I'm so happy. Oh, they have some dill plants. It's so pretty. This place is so, this guys, this is amla tree, and this is a village, somebody's, I don't know. Oh wow, full of check out, and it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Look at that flower. It's a wild jasmine, I guess. No, but it smells like jasmine. Pretty, isn't it? This is a pink blossom flower which is about to bloom, and by the time we'll come back here again soon. And we also have the fig fruit. I guess this one is eatable fig. Oh, there is a huge fruit. It's not ripe yet, otherwise I would have grabbed it. Look at the water, it's so fresh. For a cup of tea and a little bit of tiffin. Come. Guys, I have enjoyed here a lot, and after spending 30 or 45 minutes of time, now let me head towards the mall from here. It's 45 minutes. I have to go and grab something. So see ya!